Hello and welcome to the NewsRamp Science Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, ready to guide you through today's most important stories. NewsRamp.com brings you curated business news from top sources, keeping you informed and ahead of the curve. A quick note before we start. This podcast is created using AI and AI voices, but all the news stories are real, and you can find the complete articles on NewsRamp.com. It's Tuesday evening, August 5th, 2025, and we've got an exciting lineup of science news waiting for you. So whether you're driving, taking a break, or winding down for the day, let's get right into it. Our first story today is iRocket secures $640 million contract with Spacebelt KSA to deliver encrypted satellite launch services. iRocket has secured a $640 million contract with Spacebelt KSA to provide satellite launch integration, mission planning, and propulsion systems for up to 30 upcoming orbital launches across Saudi Arabia and the Gulf. The agreement, to be fulfilled over 5 years, showcases iRocket's technology and scalability. Asad Malik, CEO of iRocket, views this partnership as a strategic move in the Middle East's space innovation landscape. Spacebelt KSA's CEO, Cliff Beek, emphasizes the importance of this collaboration in building secure space operations. The partnership aims to establish a resilient communication network in the region, supporting national security and commercial growth. Spacebelt KSA's mission aligns with Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030, focusing on encrypted satellite technologies to drive the kingdom's digital transformation goals.
Q&A with Claire Murray, Ph.D., Chief Executive Officer of N+1 Biosciences. Claire Murray, Ph.D., CEO of N+1 Biosciences, is revolutionizing RNA therapeutics with enzymatic synthesis. N+1's mission is to synthesize pure RNA at limitless scale, addressing the growing demand for genetic medicines. By using enzymes instead of traditional methods, N+1 can produce RNA with higher purity and efficiency, avoiding environmental issues. Their EasyRNA platform offers a new landscape for innovative RNA therapeutics. Enzymatic synthesis enables drug developers to reach more patients with RNA therapeutics, overcoming manufacturing challenges. N+1's breakthrough technology combines biology and chemistry to create a full-color palette of RNA building blocks. With near-term goals of developing collaborations and achieving synthesis efficiencies, N+1 aims to embed their technology in first-generation RNA therapeutics. Stay tuned for upcoming milestones, including new partnerships, presentations at industry conferences, and operational improvements as they scale.
Protospace MFG, named title sponsor of 2025 Canadian International Rover Challenge. Protospace, the advanced manufacturing division for aerospace and defense of the Protocase companies, has been named the title sponsor of the 2025 Canadian International Rover Challenge. This competition brings together top engineering students from around the world to test their custom-built planetary rovers in Mars-like terrain challenges. Protospace MFG is providing $2,000 in manufacturing credit for each registered team, precision manufactured equipment for tasks like the Arm Dexterity Challenge, on-site support from staff members, and mentorship to push design boundaries. The event, organized by CSTAG, includes robotic navigation, sample collection, excavation, autonomous trials, and a rugged overnight traversal. Protospace MFG's support goes beyond manufacturing parts to creating opportunities for students to gain real-world engineering experience. Other sponsors of the event include Nordspace and Birchcliff Energy, ensuring the growth of Canada's premier space engineering challenge.
Biomed News breaks. Sologenics Inc., NASDAQ SGX, spotlighted in editorial on rare disease therapeutics. Sologenics Inc., listed on NASDAQ as SNGX, has been highlighted in a Network Newswire editorial for its efforts in developing treatments for rare diseases, particularly among aging populations. With over 30 million Americans living with rare conditions lacking FDA-approved therapies, Sologenics' HiBright TM platform shows promise in addressing cutaneous T-cell lymphoma, a rare skin cancer affecting older adults. The company's successful domestic manufacturing of HiBright's active ingredient underscores its commitment to providing innovative, U.S.-based therapies for this underserved demographic. Sologenics is a late-stage biopharmaceutical company focusing on treating rare diseases with unmet medical needs, with ongoing development programs for various conditions, including cutaneous T-cell lymphoma and inflammatory diseases. For more information, visit Sologenics' website at www.sologenics.com.
Study finds that inflammation markers in diabetics influence depression treatment outcomes. A recent study by the German Diabetes Center and other institutions in Germany has found that markers of chronic inflammation can impact the success of depression treatments for diabetics. This research highlights the importance of addressing inflammation in diabetic patients with depression, as it plays a significant role in treatment outcomes. Companies like Sologenics Inc., NASDAQ, SNGX are investing resources in advancing the treatment of inflammation-related conditions. Inflammation is a key factor in various diseases, making it crucial to improve how it is managed. This study sheds light on the connection between inflammation and depression in diabetics, emphasizing the need for innovative approaches to address this issue. Investor news breaks. Quantum Biopharma NASDAQ QNTM reports positive Phase 1 safety results for Lucid MS. Quantum Biopharma Limited, QNTM, reported positive Phase 1 safety results for Lucid MS. The Australian subsidiary received the clinical study report, confirming no safety concerns in healthy participants. Lucid MS is a neuroprotective compound targeting multiple sclerosis. Results support advancement to efficacy trials in MS patients and preparation for an FDA investigational new drug application. Quantum Biopharma is dedicated to innovative solutions for neurodegenerative disorders and alcohol misuse. The company also retains ownership of Celli Nutrition Corp. And maintains a portfolio of strategic investments through FSD Strategic Investments, Inc. For more information, visit the company's newsroom at /ibn.fm/QNTM.
Epic Medical Research joins Hypercore International's Global Partner Site Network. Epic Medical Research, based in Dallas, Texas, has joined Hypercore International's Global Partner Site Network, expanding its capabilities through strategic partnerships. Operating across 12 locations in 4 states, Epic offers full-spectrum clinical trial capabilities in various therapeutic areas. With advanced Phase 1 units, a sleep lab, and a dedicated laboratory, Epic provides the infrastructure needed to support trials from early development to late-phase execution. Dr. Haresh Bogara, president of Epic, expressed excitement about the collaboration, highlighting the shared commitment to advancing clinical research. Nicholas Fossel, president of Hypercore International, welcomed Epic as a partner, praising their therapeutic breadth and operational scale. Founded in 2019, Hypercore International is a network of leading clinical research site organizations with over 80 active trial sites across 5 countries and 2 continents. Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Science Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.